So what's up family, this is your favorite host, your guy Munya OG, and we are bringing a new show to your screens. This is live. So today we'll be discussing different topics about virginity, my blessings, and relationships. Saka murungona ndakazara netimbu randinaro panapa, saka ndokuti vangozviintroduce. Titangira kuna Rasta. Rasta munonzi?
Okay, Rasta vanonzi Uncle G.
Yes, I am.
Okay, ndinonzi Rachel Karikod. You can also find me on Instagram as rachel.zw. Okay, Nonzi Takuzo. You can find me on Instagram on T_Akuzo.
Yes, sir. So guys, this is the crew that I have today with me. Saka maida siko femo.
It's too good on there.
Alright, Saka, so the number before we sitting 3 different topics that we discuss on this podcast show: my blessings, my relationships, and virginity. So I just want to ask you this question: do you think in this day and age, does virginity still matter?
Well, personally, I think virginity now doesn't really matter as much as it did before. You know why? Because, let's look at the fact here. Let's say Pamaror. These days, Akuna, you just in Mumbai, the white couch, here, these were under the resembling that the person who's getting married is a virgin. So now I just feel like people are just normalizing the fact equity. They know that youngsters are indulging into sexual activities, so they are no more looking forward to it.
Amazing. Guys, what's your take on what Takuji said?
In said kwangu do not virginity chireka kosha. Because let's say ukarora munhu wako ari virgin, unoti haana kumboziva vanhu vakawanda kana chii. Saka munhu iye anokwanisa nyatsoita loya wavo kwauri pane kuti utore munhu asiri virgin uchimisa mumba zveshe.
But my guy, the thing is, even munhu who is the virgin was once a virgin. So I believe character yemunhu is not based kuti you are a virgin. Munhu kana ari loyal mudara anongoramba ari loyal whether wamutora ari virgin or wamutora asiri virgin.
Aiwa mudara pane.
Because wait, there's some circumstances yekuti a girl might have been raped, right? Obviously your virginity breaks. And then later on you start indulging into sexual activities, probably because you're depressed over the past traumas. So are you saying that type of person aumurona?
Yeah, ipapo panenge pari trick. Because imagine kuti tomboti munhu wacho akamurepa.
Taurai point ndarachi.
Adara utara sina basa. Ndozvinzo tozitaura zvedu. Alright. Imagine wewe akarepwa tomboti akarepwa ne14 years anditi. But munhu wacho akamurepa munhu kuti lesi anga nehombe anditi. Indazotora mwana apa pagaya kuti munhu anenge akanomvura munhu kuti chi Vaizia, inyo anogona kuzotadzawo kugutsikana neni, obviously munhu ndikamutanga anozongobuda cheze mazvimwe.
That's very true, but then kune mamwe mafactors ekuti do you know that when a girl akabreakwa virginity yake, right, it does not mean that anowati akabreakwa nehombe, it does not mean that her sexual organs are now as big as you are thinking. There are no contractor back, so which means that even if that process happened, they contract back and then comes to the normal size.
Patikainzwa mujeka pane tsumwe inonzi hanzi chakatanga ndo chakachenjedza.
Sikuramba chakatanga ndo chakachenjedza, but inini pandiri kuramba point yenyu angu chinde pekuti motora kuti loyal chemunhu inoonekwa because anga ari virgin or mamutora ari virgin. Do you know totora mukadzi wako ari virgin obva atanga kutokuvhurira hombe, then obva tora munhu anga sitori virgin obva atoita munhu kowo.
Zvakuenderana manje netype yemunhu kana makudaro.
Because imimi mamuchiassociate character yemunhu nevirginity. And I'm saying kuti character yemunhu hatione kuti that person is a virgin. Because anogona akangopotswawo zvaiko or environment yanga ari yakamuseva.
Alright. Kana madaro tomboti boom.
And I feel like virginity is important because it's not vanhu vese vanoti wara virginity what. Pane mamwe cultures anoti vese kuti you are married, right?
And then vanozoenda kune the process, you know it,
The white sheet process.
The white sheet process. And vanozoenda kumba kwenyu and then saying kuti the person is not a virginity, wada. And then zvinobva zvazokonzeresa like conflict between you and your parents.
I feel like you just need communication when it comes to marriage per se, because you can obviously in any kind of marriage takatotaurana ukutoziva kuti I'm not a virgin, ukutoziva kuti this and that, you understand?
Unless you're not getting married to your parents.
Exactly.
Plus kuti
unomblowa reputation yemaparents yako because havana kukureisa wao.
No, they actually raised you well, but I think we have to understand that things are changing. At final the generation yana baba vedu ne generation yedu, things are now different.
But you unombozera kuti
do you know virginity aisisina that essence yanga inayo kudara.
But unombozera kuti tingangotaurawo zvedu but varume virginity vanoita. Anogona
I'm that different person.
Anogona kutora zvako usiri virgin kudaro, but pamunonetsana pese
anogona kutaura.
I think ndopanda kutaura kuti uri kuona zvinhu izvozvozvo zvaikosheswa kudara, because vanhu vanga ani izvo vari kunoroora utonobvisa mari kuvanhu vatozoti they are not virgins.
But you know,
and I'm talking from experience.
You know what?
But you
now kwani like tani ma gender, right? Gender equality, exactly. So now when it comes to this sexuality, you guys, you are having sex. 13 years old. Imagine, how do you want to marry a girl, are a virgin, when you have had sex with almost 50 different girls?
I support your point, because you are also a virgin. Why would I be virgin?
Exactly.
You have to be a virgin to want to be.
By the way, guys, we are Africans.
But it's not
we always
fair.
remain Africans. We have our own way of living. Then the modern world into us. So as for me, I say virginity is important, because every single time you're gonna fight because you're gonna fight with your husband.
But
he's gonna keep on saying
your husband
no,
is not
what I saw.
But you've ever noticed it's not fair. I'm actually saying it's not fair.
Your husband is not a virgin.
Just even about cheating. Just even about cheating. You know even more.
Nowadays virginity muruma uchisina basa takucircumcise.
That part,
Okay, my guy, but it's not like every guy at circumcision. Anyone is not circumcised.
But even
truth is this fame there, because that's what you expect to go on a virgin. Those are finding muruma cheater. Why is the muruma cheater not? My wife shouldn't give a fuss about it.
You expect us to understand that you cheated. Why? If I cheat back, it's a problem.
I cheat and chikushandira.
I just feel like
of which is so varume tinani tikachitawo zviri nani, because varume tinoona vanoswera kazhinji hatiswere pamba, toswera tichionaona zvakasiyana siyana kumabhawa, saka miedzo yacho haiperi.
So you're saying kuti
and I just feel like if you guys want some certain type of character in a girl, you will also possess those kind of characters, because you cannot want me to be a virgin when you have slept with the half of Maronde. Who is there for you when you are there for everyone else? Exactly. So if you just want something, you show you are that something so that I can copy.
I feel like as a girl, you're supposed to have principles. So
why are you saying girls should have principles?
Why only
you should have principles? Because at the end of the day, you are a lady. Not good. You're not supposed to sleep around with everyone. Just to say, no, my man is doing this and that. That's not even proper.
And guys are not even supposed to sleep around as well.
Saka okay Rachi, urikuti zvonzo men are allowed to sleep around. Saka iwo murume warorwa nemurume wako, wozotanga udzwa nyaya uchiti akarara neharare ese, akarara nemarondera ese. How will it sit in you?
Nina ndinakana basa nazvo that kara.
Which is
zviri kuningirikina on me, right?
As girls imimi. Push yourself on a higher level. Yes. You are a virgin, you are like very cultured. Find a man who's like that. Otherwise, if you don't find a man, don't come to me saying that, hey, I want you to be a virgin. You're not a virgin, bro. Calm down.
So to conclude, being a virgin is not even important.
It's important, right?
But
I actually say being a virgin.
But nowadays,
actually in our day and age, it's not important.
It's not even.
It's a thing of the past. We have to move on.
easy guys.
We need different generations.
Yeah.
But you're gonna have virgin. Stop sleeping around.
Because Nina I am.
Then move my match all my standards. Then move my match all my standards. My standards them na moruda. Was the mother virgin, so she be virgin. Tomorrow she.
But Kumrune guys, honestly, as
no, you see how girls were socialized.
There's
something wrong with our culture.
There's something wrong with how both genders were socialized. Vasikana vachikura vanokura zvichinzi mukudzidziswa ma-domestic chores, mukudzidziswa kutsvairamba, mukudzidziswa kuchengeta mwana, mukudzidziswa kuhanzi kusatisfy murume wako. Made kundidzidzisa kuva independent. You understand? As men, imi muri kutodzidziswa kutonzi mukufanira kutohasela. So I feel like this issue iri kutotangira back ku socialization yedu tichiri vana vadiki. They have to change that.
So we are saying it has to be fundamentally dealt with, right?
Exactly. They have to change how both genders are socialized for there to be gender equality.
And I feel like this whole thing you're being influenced.
It's not about the Western. It's not about the
Western culture or something.
It's not about the Western culture.
At the end of the day, guys, we are all Africans. We have our own way of living. We have our own culture.
Let me ask you a question. Are we supposed to like kurarama chinchiri wrong was this our culture?
You guys mukushona as if like it's wrong, but it's not.
This
is
actually
who we
wrong.
are. This is who defines us. No, this and that and that and that. This is who we are.
Do you know the main reason as to why kids nowadays you're going to school for you to be not independent, for you to be acknowledged, to know, to have the knowledge, you understand? Because already kumal rural environments vana vari kudzidziswa unzi wakatoenda kumamisha zvezvo mwasikana watoenda kuchikoro. Because they are saying that the boy child is more important, which is the problem, which is why imi muri kuona kuti varume vakasatoita mavirgin, it's fine, it's understandable, which is a wrong thing. So people have to, like, for us to fix this issue right now, they have to like change how they are socializing kids. Because you cannot raise a kid uchingomudza kuti ufa nogara mba imomo, even if a husband does this and this, which is a wrong thing.
We are not forcing mukadzi amfanira kuramba ari mumba, but tikuti kumukadzi anofana kuchengetedza virginity yake.
Why is it you're normalizing? Why is it you're normalizing to women afana nguva
aiwa reizika patino panororwa munhu murume asati ambonzi like kuti murume asati ambonobvisirwa mombe I don't know how to start.
And actually I have a problem with that is my God. I actually have a problem with that is.
You know what it is? Ina angu recently ndakamenda mumashingo. Mukadzi akarorwa ari nechinanchi anotengerwa gumbeze roro hari borwe kana riri asiri virgin vantobora like kuti isimbu yekuti iswani anga asina kuzara. Saka virginity.
What do you mean mwana wenyu akazara here? Mwana wenyu mimari.
Because a virginity is a blessing or it's a gift. You're just supposed to give to your husband.
It's not even a gift.
It's a gift. That's the only thing you can only give to your husband.
Nah, there are many things that you can give to husband. Because marriage is not about sex. We have to understand that marriage is not about sex. There are a lot of things that I don't consider when we're talking about marriage.
It's about
there are a lot of things. It's about building a family. It's
building a family. How?
It's about building a family, like giving birth to kids, right? Exactly.
Marriage is not all about sex.
It's not about. It's
all about that. If it's not about sex,
you are building
focusing on your
family.
stuff rather than kutono visarora kumba kwedu. It's all about that.
Okay.
And you gonna listen.
That's the only thing.
But
okay guys, I think we should discuss this like on the next episode. Because this topic is amazing. Just someone's on the comment section, what do they think about this?
Because at the end of the day takanyaso zvifunga iwe takakupa musikana virgin izvezvi sex yoyo inokutinakidza the first time. Thank you very much.
But after you know kuti munhu uyu anoramba ane memories like
nah, that's a lie.
I don't want a different flow towards the person.
No. Regan do something. do you know kuti zvinoenderana nemunhu waisi because we indulge in sex for different reasons waisi
unoona kuti
saka uri kuona inini ndoona kuti ungoindulge in sex because zinto dangofinhura munhu ondoda ku like there is that like feeling man vana kuti ndakanyanya ndiri kupedza chichichi then I can indulge in sex kuti ndingozisimbisa waisi like I think we're disappointed. Saka I don't believe kuti munhu akabreka virgin anofila kuti ndapedza or anoramba nema memories emunhu
but nowadays
exactly.
That thing is outdated, my guy.
That first cut is never.
It's outdated.
Do you know kuti munhu angona kusatisfy anogona asiri munhu akakata the first time?
But you just you know what I'm saying.
Okay, so Fema, what's your take on Zema blessings? I'm not going to say. Like, especially down of my girls first. Like I said, I'm not going to say Zema blessings.
Well, personally, I feel like blessings are not good. Right? Blessings disadvantage us young ladies in so many ways. One, you might even contract HIV and AIDS. Not only that, you can get STIs. But I feel like now, in our today life, it's something that is inevitable. By inevitable, I mean like it's something mostly you can. It's something that has been normalized and it's now a normal thing, but it's not.
I support your point because and they are being exploited for like Maris Nabas.
Yeah. People are indulging to blessings, man. Apana, there is nothing else.
But you want to imagine your words and you Maria Chaninga Chipio, I consequently change your opinion.
But
Maria, I'm honestly speaking, and send them bona munaka pure Mari. You could get us tangible on a place. You can just buy an iPhone like Maya. You can just buy something very flashy. But you see that important.
Let's trip to Dubai.
I feel like we're blessed. Let's close to December.
We're close to it.
Let me tell you an example. I have this friend of mine. Actually, she's my ex-friend, but she is indulging in all the having the blessed side, right? This girl, you can see kutaiwa blessed kushanda, right? Right now she doesn't stay in Marondera here, but then we're all here because of school. She's rented her apartment. Can I get an apartment and just go to a room? It's an apartment, a well-furnished apartment. She has everything. If I mean everything, even a car. You understand? So
she has everything. Like the blesser bought a car for her.
The blesser got a car. The blesser gives her. Right now she was actually asking me what are some business ideas that I can open in Maronda, and I was like, you can open a shop for vapes because I haven't seen one.
Yeah, exactly.
But the thing is, asthma blesses another because most of these girls.
So why you wouldn't a blesser? Why you cannot bless a person?
I think we are
exactly. You're not a blesser because
Maria Luka. So can ndachaga blazer nakufana chaga blazer
but my blazer majinja ana plan.
Don't be a blesser. Focus on your family if you don't have money. If you don't have money, who are you blessing?
Okay, what should you say something?
Ndruti zvoni nyema blazer and suit ndrunyanya support zvangu ma blazer zvakudaro. But inini hangu ndona hangu songe ma blazer ari bozwa. Because tichizvitarisa isusu boys racho rikudana none vasikana ava sometimes
tesina plan
tobatsirwa waisi ende unogona kutodana nemusikana usingatozviziva kuti ane place achitoko haidhira but hatisaoneka unogona musikana aringatokukavha waisi
unofana nguva content kuti mujaya ari kutamba
munhu wese ari content nezvaanazvo but there is this thing chinonzi pressure guys. Uri kuona wiga yakasvika nemusikana wemusoro make
Kwenda pindira
Mbona inini ndine ma braids. Itori level rakatosiyana.
So what are you saying, guys?
I wouldn't want kuramba ndine ma braids.
Mira unzo wangu. Aufani uramba une ma braids, but sometimes you just have to be content to wangu ndopa ndiri.
Baby nditopa 100 yewe.
Wana mfeso wako anenga story ina mari kuti
ndava ndaenda kuna blesser wangu.
Ndikamti blazer.
Kuna John.
John is 40 years old.
Unyeperai. Marino dio.
Yeah.
Darans kuramba in every relationship mariri essential. But tukona pani mangu ma extends kuti ufana kushika because of money.
What do you mean extend blesser kwa na blesser?
Yema blesser.
It's on to
Yema blesser then
Mira tsaura blazer ka muna adipo. Just because iwe wanti mkomana auna mari. So at least blazer ka kubatsiridza ka.
Wangu blesser makore manga. You unozoti mara it in a day. There's nothing like overnight success. You work to take marry.
Blazer ne makore tomboti 45.
45. Asha na makore manga.
Not 85-year-old can be a blazer.
Asha na makore manga ndosotara asha na makore manga ndasuka pale.
But tukutaura kuti
sabi content kana zine boyfriend.
Iwewe ka unozosarura kumari dzekutaka mari dzekuenda kwana but mabills makura you are covered.
I think my blessings, they are helping us to be exposed to those things.
Nah, they are not actually helping you.
Because in terms of what kuruara or something like that. Because you know because you in the street, right? Okay, so $2 or something, and then you can do all the STI what, and actually the blessed I'm gonna send this.
Kukesho kuna chana mnasema kwa na mimi kukesho kuna chana mnasema kwa na mimi ayo amayo urikuona pando toshera level ra blesser. Just imagine kuti blesser wese I've never had like mavano ndakambotaura no experiences ma blesser. Hakuna blesser ndopfeka beba rikosho. Apa tomborina kana
I mean all blessers are contaminated.
Exactly.
It doesn't mean kuti all my blessers are contaminated, but urona ma blesser also munhu wanu anenga chida. Anenga to blesser. I want to blesser on 500. Anenga to blesser on 500.
Nini ndakatowana blesser rangu. Ndinotomudza kuti no, I'm dating John ndiye mkomana. Anotonditi phone yandakupa ka enda kunopa John akushandisa Android. Sandamtengera iPhone. Notosvika shoti baby I got you an iPhone.
Ayo.
But then mama president andopona blesser uchizopiwa iwewe.
But then I feel like I went off my check when I chatted at this. Lastly, inini blessings are not for me, to be honest. Inini, alright, tingotangira pakuti ndosema. I can't.
At the same time,
that's one thing I cannot do that.
I mean, at the same time, my blessings in and my because like.
But we were supporting my
imagine, yeah. But at the same time, and school my father. At the same time, and school my father because I'm not focusing Nana Baba baby. Because there are some things. I don't find out Rachel this and that and that. Doctor Zot Mariangu yatoa let's say guti he's giving me $100, right? Izo shanenga kundipa $50 because imu yakwenda kuna Sarah is my age mate ari kutojika mari ababa wangu inini kwandile and also the partner mama wangu wokuti the pain the
what. But why my blesses mama wasinga go no bless a family yawo achiko blessa mabi
ndo patoti ndeshe mshonga baba because
someone who is actually my bless atori party mari choza.
So are you saying that blessers don't take care of their families back home?
Nah. Honestly speaking, ngatimbotaura zvokwa ndinogara. I've seen one wazhinji anonzi my blesses. I wonder mira. We are talking about people who are filthy rich. Because we are my blessings should be somebody who's actually rich. I'm talking about people who are filthy rich. One question is my blessings. That's why maybe my mshonga. This is my maybe needs mshonga.
Isu tirakomana zvedu but mari dzema blesser totodzidya wese.
But the thing is mskana unofilipa munhu ane 7 days.
And it's all about the lifestyle, the pressure, the nose, what.
The relationship between you and a blesser, it's nothing romantic.
It's nothing.
Kungodyganana tapedzodyganana ndakutokudza ndikutoda 400 notoita swap sort of like
exactly pari kuchinjana saka in short you're saying that every girl are that trade actually rikanishandise word yeshona word you're actually into prostitution.
No, that's
not even prostitution.
It's prostitution because they exchange services for money.
Mira ndikuudze some blessers are helping us vamwe not with any but they are helping the other people. Let's say a blesser can actually help in kuti let's say my fees, the rent, the what, maybe because I'm struggling. It's not because at the end of the day, not a degree rangu, maybe in medicine, wara, that's what doctor and wara.
We are a prostitution cheap.
Chiriyo yako
expensive.
Yeah, that's
but
all.
Prostitute.
It's a prostitute.
Yeah, Munarama Blesser is a prostitute.
Yeah,
it's not a prostitute,
but don't go like Kanawan.
Prostitution.
We want to be
as long as you're exchanging your body for money.
But
As long as you're exchanging your body for money, it's prostitution.
Just
like
ask your
everything.
parents for money, guys.
Guys, let's say
unotofila like kuti apa ndikakumbira mama vangu mari ndakuvari neti
Enda
inangu alright iwo kuchikoro kwenya andisi zvangu chinoandisa unenge nyatsoneti like your classmates abo ezakaruka inini personally indodzidza nevanhu mira nevanhu 5 wona pa vanhu 5 imagine uri 1 ndio unenge usina kuruka ndiwe usina mari lunch or like tumwe trips or like
life is let me tell you something.
Why don't kuchikora uzochena kana to acquire education?
In education
you cannot you cannot read unenzara.
Zara inokupa motivation like I support what I'm saying. Zara inokupa motivation.
Inini ndazopinda mumba mangu murumu mangu mandogara nti tangofunga ndasiya ndofana kuverenga kuti ndizosvika pa level remunhu uyu
But watofunga kuti ndamboita
You want to be exposed into the lifestyle, guys. You can also give not saying kuti ana hilari vanoita zvamablesa, but that lifestyle, guys, we want it, and
you can work for it. You can work for it. That's why you're going to school. That's why you're going to school.
Yes, but in terms of that, a blesser, anubonari, the one who's providing all of that. When?
Okay, so thank you, Femo. Anya chakarebisa. Sasa tusangana pa next episode. Tusangana pa next episode. Okay, shalom guys. Tusangana pa next episode and we are continuing with this topic. My blessings.
Aribo,
guys. Guys, do
Like,
blessers. I'm not saying good I'm doing it, but do it.
So tovataone sana prostitution.
ayewa hatikutengeza guys but
Wenyewe tumudana ni mapadza. Now, vese mudana ni mapadza. Vese murujegwa ni mablesa, mudana ni mapadza ndo problem.
Koi wewe, unogona ndizaza the STI, the wara. Huko ndiye chiza,
exactly this is ndakambodya kuti tindoza tinewe wale graffiti kundirora
To riska.
Tiarambo kusadzwa STI ine rombe.
Ane rombe ona imagine.
Rombe muna ne mari mnda. Awufa weta rombe usina mari.